Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Anyway, it is like, literally it feels like day 50 of the quarantine. It's probably more like day 10. My name is Courtney Lake. Hello. Didn't even introduce myself, how freaking rude. Hello everyone, my name is Courtney Lake, or otherwise known as, or known by me, Courtnsession. I normally look like this. However, today's video is actually supposed to be aesthetical, soothing, and very helpful. So sit tight and make sure you watch because you have a lot to learn from me because obviously I'm the best at organizing. Obviously. But basically, let me just say this before I get into the video because I'm goofy as hell. But on a serious note, I want to say, wash your hands, stock up on your hand sanitizer, like use it sparingly, but use it. Use it. So anyway, since we're in this quarantine state right now, I decided that, you know what, I'm going to organize my pantry. We are going to organize my pantry, okay? And I mean that in the sense of like, I don't have a pantry because I live in a one-bedroom apartment, but I don't feel like I should be left out on this organizing tip. I have been watching all of these different like videos on Instagram where these people are going ham organizing their pantries with like baskets and labels and label makers and like all this stuff. And I went in and I've just been really in like the family mode. I've just been like, which I know you guys might be like, sis, what family? My cat. Either way, I feel like I'm a family woman now. I still want to get organized and take this time to be as productive as possible. Who knows? In this hecticness, you could create some greatness. So like, anyway, what am I even talking about? But so I'm going to show you guys what I got to organize my pantry. I'm going to show you guys the state of my pantry, which please don't judge me. It is a mess. And we're going to get into this. I'm so excited. I'm getting old. I'm so excited to organize my pantry, and that's how you know that I'm getting old. But anyway, like, basically, I'm going to give you all a second to subscribe. Okay, let me just... Cool, okay, great. You're going to want to make sure you do that, okay, because I'm here... not that often, but most of you are probably new to my channel, so I'm here every day. So, go watch. Let's get into organizing this pantry, because like I'm here. Oh yeah, I do not have a bra on, so. I mean, I feel like I never really do in my videos. Also, we have our adult beverage, which is Arbor Mist, baby. It's kind of tacky, but like, we're here for a little tacky. Let's get into it. Dun, dun, dun. Let's take a look. Ah! No, I'm kidding. It's not that bad. Here is my pantry. It just has lots of random. So my sister bought me like a doomsday kit. So she bought me like rice and so there's random plastic baggies of things. I do not use plastic bags, so don't come for me. I use reusable plastic bags. I have all these chip bags. They just look a mess. I'm pretty sure I opened like the same bag of popcorn twice because I didn't know I had 2 bags. So I feel like organizing my pantry is gonna help me get rid of that. I have this like literally like probably 100-day-old stale half-eaten bag of chips. Like we just gotta get it all together. On this side, I've got like my granola, my beans, because I love beans, baby. And like just a mixture of like quinoa. I use a lot of quinoa to cook, chia seeds, honey, trail mix. We gotta just put all this stuff into organizers. So yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun comes out. But I'm basically gonna show you guys what I got. Majority of the stuff that I got is actually from the dollar store, so this is definitely going to be a super affordable way. I think all the organizers and things that I got from the dollar store probably totaled maybe like close to $10. That was it. So I'm gonna show you guys what ideas I'm thinking and we'll see if it's gonna work. I got these two bins right here. I was thinking about putting like snack bars, maybe granola packets in there, just little like things that come individually packed. So I went ahead and got these glass jars right here, as you can see. I got some glass jars like this, as you can see. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these types of glass jars. And I got these. I just thought they were very cute. They do have plastic versions of all of these. Sorry for the glare. So I just got glass because I don't have kids or anything. If you do have kids, Dollar Store definitely does have plastic containers to be more like kid friendly. I just thought that was cool. Then I went ahead and got these baskets here. It's 2 pink and 2 gray. I don't know if I'm gonna use all of them in my pantry, but I just thought I could use one of them to put all my chip bags in. I tested it last night and it does fit in the pantry. All right, you guys, so I have these baskets right here from Target Threshold. They are just little baskets. I've been seeing people use baskets. They only had 2 of them. They were 10% off, which literally took like 50 cents off of them, but they were $6 each. I just thought that these would be cute. Maybe put like oatmeal packs or bars in them. I don't know. And then I'll show you like all my labeling mechanisms. I don't know if that's the right word, but I found these like little wooden labels from Target. I found a gold pen. I have scissors, I have chalkboard tags, and I have like the sticky tags. So I also have a label maker. Don't feel like you need a label maker. I literally got one of these for Christmas because I asked for it, but you can literally just use the regular tags and, you know, just get someone with neat handwriting or just try and write really neat and write on the tags. You do not need a label maker. I just have one. I don't have the fancy like black tape with the white writing that a lot of people use. I'm just going to use my white tape with the black writing. There's my cat down there.
I just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like New York, yeah. There's something you get used to, yeah.
Okay, and here's everything after I've taken it out and I've thrown, you know, what's bad or stale away.
Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone.
And basically what I did was I took the gold labels and put them on the container and then put the label maker label over top of it. I liked it. I felt like it made it look a little more luxe, and I filled it up. And then for the circle ones, I just put the label by itself on top. And so you'll just kind of see me going back and forth. I cut them down so that they didn't look, you know, like bad because of all the extra paper. And then here I'm just filling up my granola. And I know what you're thinking. What do you do with the extra? Well, most of these were half full, so it did work out perfectly. But like I said, I will probably get bigger containers. So here are the little open like jars. So I did put gold labels on them. And then I'm just taking in, I decided to put my cans into the plastic ones just because the cans weren't going to fit flat in the baskets, even though the baskets are thicker. But I actually like the way that I end up working out. And then in my baskets, I'm just going to go ahead and put, you know, just snack bars and granola, basically taking away and getting rid of the boxes. And yes, I did recycle all of the boxes and packets that I used and took them out of. Then I'm just putting excess stuff that I don't use as much. So I have some couscous, some hot chocolate packets. So here I am wiping down my cabinets, but I didn't show wiping down my cabinets, but trust me, I did wipe them out. I couldn't find the footage. And basically here, I'm just putting everything back in. Basically, I'm just playing around, figuring out which way I like things to go and how I kind of prop everything up. And it was actually really easy once I had everything in its place. All right, you guys, we're doing the big reveal to my mom. Are you ready for this?
Wow.
That
is awesome. Oh my God.
Doesn't that?
Yeah. You need to show Chris.
And then look over here.
That is so nice. Wow.
All right, you guys. It turned out really good for a small, tiny plate. Yes.
Wow.
The dollar store. You heard her say it. Everything but the baskets came from the dollar store. And even the baskets. Yeah, it wouldn't fit. So I angled it. But it worked out better because then you can. Yeah, so.
That looks nice.
I know. I need to come do yours.
That's greasy.
Okay, I was doing one thing at a time.
You keep me in the middle. You keep me up all night. You solve my every riddle. You make it all just right. Falling. Oh, I fought so hard for you.
All right, so we got our dried mangoes, granola, trail mix, and quinoa. I know if you have a bigger family or a bunch of kids, you are gonna need, or you know, if it's 2 people or you don't live by yourself like me, you will need bigger containers. But if you can see, there's still space up at the top. So if you did get taller containers, they would still fit. And I just really like the look of the glass containers, not the plastic ones. Then up here is where I have these little guys. I think you're supposed to turn them like that, actually. I didn't even realize. Oh, that's actually really cute that you could turn them like that. Maybe I should put my dried mangoes, but they wouldn't have fit in that. But that's cute. I kind of like it like that. My marshmallow tag is hanging off, so just up there, I just put all of my like squeezy tubes because like I'm just gonna leave them. Then over here, you can see I have my snack bars. All my snack bars and granola packets are here, and I angled them up because they didn't fit, but I actually like them angled up like that because it makes it easier to see what you're getting. If they're down like this, let me show you. If they're down like that, you can't really see everything that's in there. Then all my cans are in here. Excuse my hideous handwriting, but I did run out of labels and label tape, so I just wrote that with my hand. But all my cans are here, and what's nice is you can just pull it out. And then I did another row that has more of like just little nut packs and trail mixes and just little packs of like stuff, small things that come like individually bagged. More of that. Over here is where I put my I put all of my chips. I label them popcorn chips, rice, pasta, and snacks. Ignore that they're like facing different directions. Mixes and snacks. I did all of those. So I put the mixes and snacks at the top because obviously I don't use the mixes as much. I put the regular like chips and snacks and pretzels and things like that in the lower ones because I can reach those without a stool. I am pretty short. So the good thing is you can literally slide them out. You got popcorn, different types of chips, salsa and chips, and everything like that. I did have to turn some of the chips sideways. Mom, can you pause that real quick? Super neat, super organized. Those bigger bins, you can always do baskets as well, but I was trying to do this on a budget, so for right now I think the bins look perfectly fine. Hopefully I can keep this up and it won't be all messy and horrible in a month, but I'll definitely let you guys know. I am gonna probably do a video for the other side. I have more cabinets over here. My spices and everything is very disorganized, so I definitely want to do something for my spices. I might put them all in containers and then label them, but I do have to get more label maker tape. So yeah, if you guys are interested in that, let me know. Hi everyone, this is Editing Courtney. I forgot to make an outro. I'm coming to you giving egghead realness. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember, breathe positivity into the universe and it will come back to you, and stay safe and stay inside. Bye.